We've got a very special one into the studio today. What's going on, guys? It's Karl here, back with, as you can see, another unboxing. I know there have been more rumors, but we have the brand new OnePlus 7 Pro. Super stoked to share this one. Before we start though, some giveaway business to take care of. The Pixel 3a XL winner is... Congrats, this guy is being shipped your way, and if we want to continue on with the giveaway goodness, you can win this very OnePlus 7 Pro. I can even throw in this entire reviewer's box if you want. Simply sub to the channel, of course. Leave a comment down below on your favorite OnePlus 7 Pro feature. Follow me over on Insta where I'll have a corresponding pick, and I will pick a winner from either here or on there. So best of luck, that will be announced shortly. All right, here we go. Red tab open and go beyond speed. That is the tagline for the OnePlus 7 Pro. We've got never settle. Whew. Of course, that is the key phrase for OnePlus. Inside, we've got the reviewer's guide, which I will probably read more in depth. You can see all of these specs, which I won't look at too much until we open the actual device. We've got a couple things inside first. Let's, of course, look at the phone. We'll get the rest of this stuff out of the way because the phone is the most important thing. You can see on the back, that is Nebula Blue, 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. So you can see the number 7 in tiny subscripture up top, Pro. Go beyond the speed on the side. Maybe one day OnePlus will make that orange. Inside we have a little welcome sign with a clear case. What else do we got? Invitation letter. So inside we have the SIM card slot tool, some user manuals, I am assuming, safety information, and some good old stickers, which I'm so happy that they've included. I can add these to my fabled tech sticker collection. We've got the Warp 30 charging brick, and that of course is for fast charging, a USB-C cable in red to make sure everything matches. And this is what you want to see here. Never settle as this guy opens up. Let's get this out of the packaging. Oh, and that Nebula Blue though, oh my goodness, let's get this little sticker off. So if you guys haven't seen one of these gradient phones from OnePlus, they're absolutely gorgeous. The gradient kind of goes from dark up top to the bottom, it gets lighter, and it also has this sheen on it. When the light catches, it's simply gorgeous. So now that this guy is fully booted up, you see the gorgeousness, that's a word that I've just invented, of the display. 6.67 inches fluid AMOLED, and it's got this lovely wallpaper to, of course, match the reviewer's guide and match that Nebula Blue on the back. The screen also features a 90 Hertz refresh rate, so that should be practical for, of course, gaming. Not sure how that works in the real world though for a smartphone. We'll definitely have to test that more, but the thing everyone wants to see is, of course, the cameras. It's a triple lens setup, so you've got all the way from 17 millimeters, that's an ultra wide, to 78. That's 3 times optical zoom, so not as powerful as, say, Huawei's P30 Pro. That's 5 times or even the 10 times hybrid. What everyone wants to see though is that pop-up front-facing cam, and I'm assuming I've got the camera app kind of launched right now, and if you swap that, ho ho, and if you listen closely, you can hear the mechanical parts sliding up and down that pop-out camera. They technically say this should be good for 300,000 actuations. So even if you use this thing 150 times a day, it should last you longer than the phone would last. You'd probably upgrade before this fails. What I'd love to see though, for all you people crazy enough to do drop tests, what happens if you drop your phone when you're using a selfie? If it unfortunately lands on this guy, what will happen to the camera? You'd be super unfortunate to be that person, but I'm sure someone out there will end up doing that. It will not be me though. Inside, hardware-wise, all you spec heads will kind of rejoice. We've got the latest silicone, Snapdragon 855, up to 12 gigs of RAM if you choose so, a nice beefy battery of 4,000 milliamps, and when you pair that with Warp Charge 30, you are kind of set for the entire day, possibly even 2. We've also got inside the OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2s. And the V1s from last year were such a solid pair of Bluetooth headphones for around 50 bucks. I'm sure these guys will be exactly the same. I leave these untouched. I'm hoping to get another pair for a review, but if you do win this one, this will be inside the box, of course. And last inside of the box, we also have the OnePlus Warp Charge 30 car charger. I'm hoping this fits. If it doesn't, this will be in the box for one of you as well. That's all that we've got inside here. That has been my unboxing for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Super stoked to bring you content across the channels. Stay posted for my camera review. Of course, comparisons, let me know what you want to see. And this thing is a beauty, there's no doubt. And in case you're not digging the Nebula Blue, or more importantly, you want to protect your very expensive and brand new device, make sure to grab a skin. These guys are from D-Brand. Obviously, I've got mine in carbon with a tad bit of orange just to keep it on my own personal brand. Remember, you can win this guy. All details, of course, down below, and I will catch you hopefully in tomorrow's episode where I will be starting all of the comparisons. Catch you guys then. Peace.